Have you ever wondered why the phrase "you are what you eat" holds so much truth? The answer lies in the profound impact a balanced diet has on the human body. Imagine a world where every morsel of food consumed serves a purpose, fueling the body, nurturing the mind, and protecting against diseases. That's the power of a balanced diet. It's not just food, it's a lifestyle choice that paves the way for a healthier, happier life. Studies show that a balanced diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes by up to 60%. That's more than half. It's a testament to the power of nutrition and its role in maintaining optimal health. But a balanced diet is not just about disease prevention. It also plays a vital role in weight management. Did you know that obesity has more than doubled in the past 4 decades? Yet, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can keep those extra pounds at bay. Let's not forget the brain, the command center of the body. Consuming a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins can boost brain health. It aids in improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Even the mood is not untouched by the food we eat. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and vitamin D have proven effects on enhancing mood and warding off depression. Now imagine the strength of the human body when it's nourished with a balanced diet. The immune system becomes robust, skin glows with health, and energy levels soar. It's like being a superhero, with the power to fight off illnesses, look radiant, and feel invincible. So what have we learned today? A balanced diet is a cornerstone of good health. It can prevent chronic diseases, manage weight, boost brain function, improve mood, and enhance physical strength. The power to live a healthier, happier life lies in your hands, or rather, on your plate. It's about making conscious choices, about choosing foods that nourish and protect. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, remember, it's not just food. It's fuel for your body, nurture for your mind, and protection for your health. It's time to embrace the power of a balanced diet, for it is the key to a healthier, happier, and longer life.